Welcome back to my video channel. I just wanted to bring you the latest update about the animal farm, which will officially relaunch on November the 1st. This info comes from Forex himself and was shared on Twitter and his personal Telegram. The public testing is going on right now, and everything is running smoothly, so we are ready to launch. The farm is running on a BSC sidechain and anybody can fork the protocol, unpause the dogs token and use all the contracts as they would be in real life. 60 people are testing it as we speak and it's all working perfectly. A new security team called Truthseekers has done the most recent audit and the farm got all the green lights. No issues were found. Forex said in a YouTube interview that he is 100% ready to launch on November the 1st. The farm is currently running on the sidechain, and all he has to do is hit the unpause button and everything will be live. The biggest change in the farm is that the BUSD LP token will now earn dogs instead of pigs, which is the governance token that gives you ownership of the farm. Dogs will have a variable tax fee, and to get that tax down you have to stake your dogs in the dog pound where you can choose between manually compounding or auto-compounding your dogs. The only way you can now get pigs is by buying them off the market using the swap page, or earn them by staking dogs BUSD or dogs BNB LP tokens, which will make it even harder to get pigs and boost the price of pigs over time. Don't forget to participate in the new Animal Farm giveaway on the home page. You can earn $5,000 in BUSD tokens by completing a few tasks. The winner of the first giveaway was announced yesterday by Forex in a YouTube interview. Make sure to enter your wallet address, so they know where to send the money if you are picked out. Good luck. The Animal Farm relaunch is also going to affect the drip price and the Faucet as well. If we have more drip coming into the tax vault, we will no longer need to mint new drip, and this will have a positive effect on the drip price. Forex also made major progress on the Fiaton Ramp for all the assets. The process already got approved, now he just needs to set it up, which will not take long. Fiaton Ramp is going to be huge. It will allow people to buy tokens on the website with fiat money, and this opens a ton of options, including the ability for people to set up kiosks in their establishments and so much more. You can read about all the adjustments which will significantly improve the game theory of the Animal Farm in a new Medium article. Forex added 2 writers to the team which will produce a new Medium article every week updating the community on what happened and what's to come. I will drop the link to the Medium article below so you can check it out. Feel free to drop your comments or feedback about the Animal Farm or Drip Network below, or post a question in my Telegram group. I'm curious to hear your opinion and ideas. If you enjoy my content, please smash the like and subscribe button and click the bell icon to get a notification when I post a new video. Have a wonderful day, and stay safe.